Breaking news: China on highest flood alert after reservoir dam collapse. Heavy rainfall has triggered severe flooding in China's Guangxi Autonomous Region, leaving three reservoirs in critical condition. The Liulan Reservoir severed a dam bridge, sending flood waters into nearby village. Meanwhile, the Winpiao Reservoir sustained damage after overflowing and part of its embankment collapsed. The Liuwang Reservoir also exceeded its spillway capacity as water levels continue to rise. In response, authorities in Nanning have raised the flood emergency to the highest level and deployed rescue teams and emergency personnel. Residents in high-risk areas, particularly in Hangzhou City and Binyang County, have been evacuated to safer locations. So far, there have been no reports of deaths or injuries. Weather officials say rainfall is expected to ease in the coming days, which could help emergency crews bring the situation under control. Thank you.